Crazy Man YouTube here. Have you all ever wanted to play Red Dead Redemption 1 on mobile but it's not compatible, or don't have Netflix and not enough money to buy? Well, I have a solution to those problems that you are having. Make sure to join the Discord for the download file. The stuff you'll need in order to download any file manager. I recommend using Zarchiver. To the download file. To get it, join the Discord. Link is in the description. Tutorial on how to install the file. Open your file manager or Zarchiver. Then look for the Red Dead Redemption file. Click it. Then install. Wait till it's done. For me, I already installed it, so all I have to do is open it. Let's head straight to the gameplay. Remember, Discord link is in the description. Also, don't forget to like and sub. Let's skip to the proper gameplay. Please keep watching so I can show you what it includes. This also has an in-game cheat menu, like the game bully. If you want to use it, follow my steps. Click the map for the menu 1 times. There you go. BTW, you can unlock more cheats. On this game I will show all the cheats in the next video that you can unlock. Thank you guys for watching. That's all.